Are you in need of a reliable, high-quality garage door supplier in Phoenix, Arizona? Look no further than Redstar Wholesale Garage Door and Supply, the best in the business. With our extensive inventory and exceptional service, Redstar is your one-stop shop for all your garage door needs. Whether you're a homeowner or a contractor, Redstar has the perfect garage door to suit your requirements. Our experienced team is ready to assist you in finding the ideal garage door that fits your style and budget. From traditional to modern designs, Redstar offers a wide range of options to choose from. Not only we provide top-notch garage doors, but also we are offering a variety of accessories and parts to complete your project. When you choose Redstar as your garage door supplier, you can expect excellent customer service and prompt delivery. We understand the importance of a functional and secure garage door, and strive to exceed your expectations. No matter the size or style of your garage, Redstar has the expertise to find the perfect solution for you. Our knowledgeable staff will guide you through the selection process, ensuring you make the right choice. Redstar Wholesale Garage Door and Supply stands out among other suppliers in Phoenix, Arizona for our competitive prices. We believe in providing our customers with exceptional value without compromising on quality. For all your garage door needs in Phoenix, Arizona, call Redstar Wholesale Garage Door and Supply at 602-539-1196. Experience their commitment to excellence and discover why we are the best garage door supplier in the area.